Hola, 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 hola. Vamos a organizar la nevera. En esta casa nadie hace nada. Entonces todo lo dejan aquí, en esta república.
A ver.
El agua, hay agua, ¿cómo dicen eso? Sparkling, como agua Celsius. Es más o menos como el agua Celsius. A mí me lo da todo así, pero tiene control, una cosa. Ya no me faltando, se ya está aquí. Open the ginger. Aquí no pone nadie en la nevera, solo soy yo. Ve, pon de esa también ahí. Pon dos de esos. Pon más. Pon uno más. Hi Michael, en esta puse ginger ale y jugo de manzana. What's up, Christian? I thought today was Wednesday.
What?
I thought today was Wednesday. Aquí voy a poner no huevo. Okay.
Restart.
Restart. You want to show the video? That's Chris. That's Michael. Yeah.
Anyway,
Aquí voy a poner no huevo. What happened?
I'm not gonna get a bus pass.
Okay.
Not working on my job.
Entonces, ya le puse otro.
Hi guys, we're back.
Now, la malta, Goya, siempre tiene que ser buena. So la fría va para adelante, of course. And then we put the hot one in the back. We gotta restock because in esta casa nobody does nothing but me. My daughter's helping me today. And Christian will do absolutely nothing. So back to the fish. Hi guys, this is Cerveza República from DR. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is a beer. I'll put it right back where it belongs. Y eso no va fuera de la cajita. But they always do it and leave it like that.
Well,
Hi guys, I don't know, but I like this butter because it's the best. See? I'm on the We have this little juhu for the kiddos. We put it in here.
not for me, that's for people.
Most likely Christian like the juhu or yahoo, juhu, right?
No,
Yeah.
no.
What else is it? The juhu.
Yeah.
Alisa needs some more yogurt, but I think we have more over there. Check. If not, well, next time, guys, I'll show you guys next time.
This is my favorite.
This is our favorite. We have this in the
Strawberry
fridge too. She likes strawberry, but we got vanilla. There's more over there. We have water. We have Ensure, so we don't have to restock that. What else we have to restock? What is this for? Who's gonna put the Gatorade? We have different color Gatorade, so I like to have this for the kids so they can enjoy and pick and go. Oh, they have different
Take them
ones.
road trips, man.
Huh?
Take them on road trips.
Oh yeah, you can take them on road trip too.
Where's the grape flavor?
I don't see no great flavor. It's only red and whatever other color it is.
Oh, there it is. Wait, what?
So,
Is this in-
Gatorade, restock.
Mommy, you know you need to edit the video?
Yep.
And I know how to edit my stuff.
Coming back. I'm back. Guys, I'm gonna use this one para poner el jugo de manzana. So I'm gonna put my apple juice right here instead of for the ginger ale. I like to always have ginger ale, cold ginger ale in the fridge. Sometimes people want to come and drink. Alguna gente quiere beberse un traguito de I don't know, whiskey or whatever it is, and then we just can put it in there. Let me see.
That's it?
2 more. So see, it look better like this. So I'm gonna put it in here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll have a closer look up for you guys. It's always good to restock your fridge because you know sometimes the kids want something cold and then they don't have it. So I always like to have my little fridge organized into my daughter. I have wine and mi sazón. I like to have mi sazón hecho ready on the go, so when you have to cook, you just cook. I don't like to have this por ahí tirado, pero en esta casa, as you guys know, no cooperan.
It's a Dominican household.
This is a Dominican household, so we crazy. We all crazy. We don't drink this. So somebody got this for a drink, so it's there in the fridge. When they come back, they can reuse it. So I'm coming right back to get you guys a closer look up into my fridge. Hi guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a closer look up to my fridge. So I have my detox tea from Totally Changes. I have my milk. This is the one we use at home. I have some juice over there. And I have the juice. I have the Pediasure, my water, my stuff that I use. And this is what I was restocking actually. So this is the apple juice. I have Gatorade for us. We have the sparkling water. We have the Canada Dry. We have the Goya Malta. We have our eggs like this. I love to have my eggs like that. I have the República, the cerveza. So my fruits, veggies. I have my stuff, mi salami, ustedes saben. We have different salami. I have sausage that the people love when I do IHOP at home. So that's what we use. This is really good. So this is my fridge. Thank you guys for restocking the fridge with Kim and Alyssa.